Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Ugh, hair's driving me nuts. So this is going to be my July for the Glossybox. My unboxing of Glossybox. I love this box. It's seahorses, the whole sea thing, which is funny because like our bedroom is nautical and it's got the reds and the corals and such. So I really like this box. It will probably it's not going to get thrown away. It's a very nice box. So, I haven't even seen what's in here yet, and I haven't watched anyone's videos. So, it's going to be good. Like I said, I love these colors and stuff. So, up front is something about tikis. There looks like flip-flops. So, there's a discount for that. And then, of course, there is the little information thing that comes with. We will lay this out. I love how they do this. They do take that extra time and stuff in it. So the first things that I got, and oh wow, if you get these in, they're the Cover and Renew Single-Use Facial Mask by Dimitri James Infusion. Pay attention to the dates because mine expires September 2018, so they expire in like a couple months. So I know I need to use these right away. And I guess they were produced 2015, so they've sat somewhere on a shelf for 3 years. So that's not very reassuring, but we will give them a try. And these retail for, you get 2, and for 4 masks it's $40. So they're $10 each, basically. So, and then the next thing I got is the NCLA Treatments So Rich Vitamin Infused Cuticle Oil. So, and that retails, and it's full size, in 0.5 ounce. It says So Rich Cuticle Oil in Mermaid Tears is what it's called. Interesting. Very interesting. The next is Facial Makeup Remover Kaishi. If I say this wrong, it's a facial makeup remover. And this is 3.4 ounces, which is full size. This sells for $14. And then they're really liking the John Masters lately. So we have the John Masters Hairspray. And this is 2 full ounces, and it's peach size, and this sells for $10. Another John Masters Organics. This is the Citrus and Neroli Detangler. And this is 2 ounces, and it sells for $6. Then we have, this is the Mini Macaroon Lip Balm, and the one I got in was pineapple, and this is full size, and it sells for $5.99, and it's skin, so a lot of skin stuff and stuff like that. So let's see this guy. I'm like, ooh. So like I said, vitamin, fruit extracts, derivatives. It's got a light scent, so it's not too overpowering. So fun, very fun. So that's what I got for my Glossybox. So I am interested to see. I mean, it's kind of interesting. So the total is basically like about $74. So not bad at all. Like I said, I really like the box, as bad as that sounds. So definitely it will be something I put away because I like the look of it, and it really kind of goes with my bedroom thing, as bad as that sounds. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day. If you like my channel, please thumbs up or subscribe. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you. you.